Hey guys, it's Joanna and we are here at a new project, and let me tell you, worse has gotten worse. This is the worst property so far. If you saw Oak Avenue, that was bad, and this is worse. So you're in for an adventure if you want to stay tuned with the progress on this one. So this property came to me from my inspector. He knew someone that needed to sell a house, and I actually bought it sight unseen. The price was right though this time. So we have a brick cape. The upstairs, the attic has not been finished. So currently it's about 900 square feet on the first floor, and then there's an additional 900 square feet on the second floor that hasn't been finished. So that is where I'm going to really get my money's worth, I'll say, out of this. So this property is in Richmond. It is in this looks like a mill neighborhood. All of the houses look the same here, brick capes or ranchers. Same exact structure, just some have the second floor and some do not. So what you will see here is another hot mess. The backyard is the Amazon jungle. And then the inside, the floors are caving in all around the place. It is a mess. There is broken ceiling, and it's just rained inside. It's bad. It's really bad. Now this is going to be kept as a rental for me. It's currently 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. I am going to turn it into 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. I think I am anyhow. So that should give me maybe $1,400 in rent each month, but it's going to take some heavy lifting on the front end. Are you ready for this? Let's go take a look. So as you can see, in the front is overgrown, weeds growing into the house. The gutters have rusted and burst open. They've got vegetation growing out of those. The roof is done, very done. And then steps need work. There are things crawling in and out of the mortar. And it's just a mess. This is on a dead-end street too, so there's only one house beside it before it dead ends. Parking is a little odd, but it'll be all right, especially for a rental. So here in the backyard, we have this monstrosity here, this overhang coming from the roof that's supposed to be the covering for the deck. It's just a bad idea. There's a lot of wood rot. That whole thing is coming down. The entire thing is coming down. So we could just see the back of the house. That'd be nice. But look in this backyard. Interesting. And this tree is so ridiculously overgrown. All this vegetation is getting cut back. I'm sure the neighbors will be thrilled. There's actually a fence surrounding the entire backyard, which is nice, once we can actually see it and have it be usable. So you know it's gonna be a bad sight when there's not even a door frame, just kind of a door in the mist. There is nothing here for the door to latch to. It's all rotted out. So I'm gonna do my Kung Fu kick and we'll get in there. Kinda. All right, so this is the kitchen. We came in through the back door. These are the remains of the kitchen. You can see the lean on those cabinets. They're just about ready to fall completely off into the abyss that is underneath the house, where the floor has opened up. The ceiling has fallen in. It's really, really bad. Like the worst. I think I said that before, but I just need to say it again. This is the worst. And I think this was supposed to be the dining room. It's right off the kitchen. There's no real door here. Just kind of an accordion style door. Through here, through the hallway, you have the steps to the attic, but there's actually no steps. The bottom half of the staircase or pull down is missing, so we can't get into the attic, but let me just give you a glimpse of what's up there. So you see all that space? I'm gonna put some rooms up there. And this is a unique tile, like, I don't know, clouds? I haven't seen this tile before. We have, I would guess this is the master bedroom. It's a pretty big bedroom. And so in this room, you can see the floors are halfway gone. Nothing we can save in here. There's wood paneling on the wall. I'm sure there's mold behind there. So here, this is the living room. You can tell that at some point some squatters made themselves a little napping place here. That's just what happens. Here's the bottom of the attic stairs. And over in the corner, you can see the creepy cat. So in order to create the upstairs, finish that attic, we've got to have steps. So I'm gonna take out this closet, and then there's a closet behind that. And this is where the stairwell will go to get to the top floor, where I will create 2 bedrooms and at least 1 bathroom. All right, guys, so you have to let me know, is this the worst property or was Oak Avenue the worst property? They are both horrendous. This one's gonna be a rental. Oak Avenue was a resale. But I need to know your opinion. So go back, look at the Oak Avenue project, the hoarder house, and tell me if you think this one's worse or that one's worse. But either way, these are the kind of properties that I buy. I would really like to not have to do a full gut job on every property. But if you know someone that's looking to sell a property like this or in better condition, be sure to give me a call at 804-596-9110, or you can email me, Joanna, Joanna, at remnant.res.com. I look forward to working with you, and stay tuned. This is going to be a good one.